Meaning of ensemble.
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 Ensemble. Ensemble refers to a technique in machine learning where multiple models are combined to obtain better performance than can be achieved by a single model. Each model in the ensemble may use different algorithms or features, and their predictions are then aggregated to generate a final result. This approach is useful for improving accuracy, generalization, and robustness of machine learning models. By combining the strengths of multiple models, an ensemble can often achieve higher accuracy compared to any individual model, making it an effective technique for many machine learning tasks.